Welcome to Kwan's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Bulgogi Burger with your Korean barbecue burger. Let's get started. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to Jaewon-san who requested this episode. This one is for you. First, we need half an onion. Slice it half and slice thinly. And throw it in the blender. If you have a good blender, you don't need to slice thinly. And for the other half, slice thinly. And put to the side. We're gonna use this later. And we need a pear. Peel it. We're gonna use a half of a Korean pear. Since my blender is not good, I'm gonna slice and we're gonna put it into the blender. If you can't find it, you can use apple instead, but if you can, please use the pear. It gives really unique flavor and it's really good.
I love Korean pear. It tastes so good.
We need one hot pepper. Cut the edges and slice thinly. And put it in a blender. We need 1 cup of soy sauce. And we need 1 cup of water. We need half a cup of sugar. We need 3 cloves of minced garlic. We need piece of ginger. We need 2 tablespoons of mirin. Half tablespoon of sesame oil. And dash of pepper. Cover it nicely and blend it. Oh, smells like bulgogi. It smells really good. We need 500 grams of bulgogi and pour your sauce. And mix it well so it can soak up all the flavor. I think I made enough sauce for 1 kilogram, so I'm gonna put the rest of the meat inside.
Use thinly sliced tenderloin or sirloin for your bulgogi.
Cover it with the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. While it's marinating, we're gonna prepare veggies. First, we need half a carrot. Cut the edges, slice like this, so it can lie on the plate. And cut it thinly.
Bul means fire and gogi means meat, so bulgogi means fire meat, which is barbecue.
Press it hard so it can lie flat and julienne them. And put to the side. And we need the bottom half of the leek. Cut it into 4 centimeter long slices. And cut it half and julienne them.
Don't slice too thinly, otherwise it will be hard to feel the texture in the burger.
And put to the side. First, we need some kimchi. Slice thinly. Heat up the skillet on medium high. And we need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We're gonna roast kimchi in sesame oil to give the toasted flavor. So make sure you use the sesame oil instead of the vegetable oil. And put some kimchi in there. We need half tablespoon of sugar. If your kimchi is not sour, you don't need to add sugar, but my kimchi is sour, so I'm adding half tablespoon of sugar. Kimchi is really good by itself, but people toast it when you're eating the Korean barbecue or just use it as a banchan. We're gonna put this in a bowl.
If you don't like kimchi, you can skip this part.
Now we're gonna roast the hamburger bun. Heat up your skillet on medium low. And we're gonna throw some butter in it. And put your bun upside down. Once your buns have soaked up all your butter, put it on a big plate. Ooh, hot. Hot. Yeah. Okay, heat up your skillet on medium high. Add some vegetable oil. And throw all the veggie that we prepared earlier. I'm gonna change the pan.
I changed to a bigger pot because my pan was too small. If you like to add more veggies, you can add more, so be creative.
After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking the veggies, we're gonna put our bulgogi. Pour your bulgogi as much as you want. And pour some sauce.
Bulgogi is well known as beef that is marinated in soy sauce, but my favorite one is pork one. If you like to learn, click here.
While we're waiting for beef to roast it, let's start the corner fact. The first Bulgogi burger was invented by Loteria, which is kinda like Korean McDonald's in 1992. And McDonald's in Korea came out with their own Bulgogi burger in 1997. Loteria uses beef and McDonald's uses pork. Even though they are both called Bulgogi burgers, Loteria's burger tastes more like duck galbi and McDonald's burger tastes more like a Korean McRib. So I wanted to make a real Bulgogi burger. If you guys want to see a Korean McDonald's or Loteria burger, let me know in the comments down below. We're gonna change the pan so we can add cheese in it. And this is for 1 serving size. And we're gonna put cheese on top.
Use your favorite cheese. I'm using a pepper jack.
Use another pan to cover it. Ooh. While we're waiting, we're gonna prepare our buns. Get the buns and some lettuce on the bottom. Once cheese is melted, it's all ready. We're gonna draw bulgogi on top of the lettuce. For one of the burgers, we're gonna put kimchi that we prepared earlier. That's it.
Our Bulgogi burger is all ready to eat.
That's it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Which one should I try first? I'll try the just regular Bulgogi burger. Ooh, it's so thick. I like it. Oh, it smells so good. Let's go to America and sell this, really. This is Glenn's Corner, don't copy, it's mine! It's really good! Really good. I used a different sauce to make it more, it goes well with the burger. So I put a lot of sugar and other stuff to make it more flavorful, and it's so good. Let's try Korean style burger. I mean, they're both Korean style, but let's try the kimchi one. So good. I really like greasy burgers, so I like this one more. But kimchi is neutralizing the greasiness. It's like a pickle when you're eating with the burger. It's so good and it goes really well. Hopefully you can try it, and if you try it, please send me the picture, then I will shout you out. So see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!